Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and somebody was asking me about the increase in spam that he's been seeing, and I'm not alone. I've been noticing a lot of people complaining of an increase in spam after it was rather quiet. The spam filters worked pretty good, and a lot of people are asking, what's happening? Are the spam filters no good anymore, or what exactly is the reason behind this? Well, it seems to be in the way that they are actually able to send these emails. They kind of find loopholes in a way that they can actually bypass most of the spam filters. This is an example of a spam that's been very popular in the last months. It is, always probably using one of the things that people right now are having a lot, which is, package deliveries, because they're ordering online a lot more than before. And of course, these are not official. I mean, to get tracking info and to get information about packages, usually you have to, subscribe yourself and go to UPS or whatever company and tell them, well, here's my email or here's my phone for a text message and, to know about my order status. But they don't come automatically. It doesn't work like that. So this is, unfortunately, something that seems to be very, very tough to go by. And unfortunately, what you could do is, you could send it to the spam filters. You can say, well, mark as junk by right-clicking. So you can do that, or mark as spam, or depending on what email you're using, there are different wording, but mark as spam or as junk and so on. But unfortunately, whatever you do, even with the sender blocked, what they do is they just change one character, or I've noticed one of the things that makes them go through, it seems, is they've put the characters in a format that I believe the spam filters just can't read. I think the biggest problem here is that maybe the spam filters for all of these accounts need to be now updated to latest technologies and the newest ways that the people out there are, of course, having to try to hack you or get into personal details and accounts. It is definitely a major problem, and it is on the increase. I think anybody that finds there's more spam than before, no, you're right, there's more spam than before. So hopefully these spam filters from the different email providers can be updated to lower the amount. It still blocks a lot. I mean, if you look at the spam folder, you'll notice that the amount of blocked messages is incredible. But, there are these little messages that creep out from there and actually make it through your inbox, unfortunately. And we'll, check that out and see what else can be done about it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.